YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ifoma. I'm a fashion designer and a pattern dressmaker. How are you guys doing? I know it's been a while, I know. So today I'm going to be showing you guys most of the things you need to start your sewing journey. And for those who has been postponing and they're like, oh, I don't know what to get, what do I need? You don't have to break your bank. I'm here to help you. So guys, I have had this sewing machine for about 3 years, and it's a manual, or you can call it a domestic machine, and this basically does my straight stitches. So I also got this overlocking machine. The brand of the overlocking machine is a Singer overlocking 4-threaded machine, and this basically does my inside and outside weaving. More infos on these machines are going to be in my description box below, so please do check them out. As this is not a sponsored ad, by the way, so you don't think I'm trying to push any machine towards or to you, but you would need an overlocking machine and a straight machine. You could get either a tabletop. I also have a tabletop machine, and this is it. This particular machine does decorative stitches. It does your buttonhole, and it also uses twin needle, so it gives you like a variety of, so many things in one. Moving forward, we're going over to our table, and we have our paper scissors, and we use it basically for cutting out our pattern, and that is our fabric scissors, which is basically used only for our fabric. Guys, you do not mix up your paper or your fabric scissors because you don't want that to blow out. And we have our paper tape, and we basically use this for joining our pattern piece together when needed. Over to our pins and our pattern paper. This one is mostly for pattern drafters. Yeah, so this pattern paper, and it also comes in different sizes though. Moving forward, you're going to be needing threads, and I think as you go, you could build up your thread collection, which means you could like have variety or different colors. Now that's our pin pouch. We do have a video of how to make a pin pouch or cushion or whatever name you choose to call it, but we use it to like store our pins. You could easily wrap this around your wrist. The video is going to be in the description box below, so do check that out. Moving forward, this is one of my favorites. I mean, this magnet is a lifesaver. Like, you know how you be sewing and then you mistakenly kick off your pin, or you have pins littered all around. This magnet, it helps you grab them. And this is our pencil. We use it to draft our pattern. We also make use of our marker, and we have it in different colors, but over there we have the purple and the green. You'll be needing some bobbins, and most of the times it comes with your sewing machine, but along the line you might have to get more bobbins so you don't have to keep wasting thread or having to reel out your thread whenever you want to work. I don't know if that makes sense. Moving forward, we have our eraser, and we also use this for drafting our pattern or cleaning out our pencil mark on our patterns. We also have a chalk, and we use this chalk to make lines on our fabric. Another thing you'll be needing is your seam ripper. You'll be needing some needles which matches with your fabric or the kind of fabric you're using, or your sewing machine. You'll be needing a snipe. Most of the times when you get a new sewing machine, it comes with the kits for your sewing machine.
Next up, we have our safety pin. This always come in handy for me, guys. You'll be needing a tweezer, and this tweezer is really helpful, especially when you're passing or trying to get your thread out from the needle. Now this is our machine oil you apply depending on how often you use your machine. We have our brush, which helps to apply oil to our machine. My drafting buddies, you're going to be needing your pin roller, or you could call it your tracing wheel, and this helps to trace out your pattern. We have our loop turner, and this helps us to turn our straps or our bands inside out. So we do have a short ruler, and then we have a long one. Next up, we have our French curve, and I basically use this when drafting my pattern, like my skirt pattern. And you don't have to get two, guys. You could just pick one, which I would prefer you go with the armhole curve. So this is the armhole curve, and as you can see, it's a bit like curvier and has this round and a lot of drama going all around. And I've had this for a long time actually. So this is all you need. You will also be needing your measuring tape.
Thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful, please comment, share, like, and of course subscribe if you haven't. Let's grow this channel together.